Tracking news from Anna University first. In a big breaking news, BJP leader Tamil Sai Soundararajan handed over memorandum to Tamil Nadu governor seeking justice for Anna University's sexual assault victim. This information, which also floated on Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan's X platform, where she said that she has handed over a memorandum to the Honorable Governor R.N. Ravi of Tamil Nadu pertaining to the case of Anna University, a sexual assault, seeking justice for the victim and also questioning the high-headedness, I'm quoting her here, the high-headedness of the DMK government for not allowing the leaders from across the state to raise their voice in favor of the protection of the victim and against sexual assaults. Now, viewers, just to backtrack the entire case for you, this comes after a 19-year-old second-year engineering student was sexually assaulted in the Anna University campus in Chennai. Following an uproar, links were found that the assaulter was related to the DMK, the ruling party DMK, following which calls for the resignation of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had also grown. And today, BJP leader has handed over a memorandum to Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi in the same case. Viewers, in another breaking news, ahead of the assembly polls in Delhi, the BJP versus AAP poster war has only gotten more furious. After Prime Minister Modi's AAP is like AAPda remark, BJP has escalated the attack on Aam Aadmi Party. And now, the BJP has released a poster that says AAPta jayegi, Bhajpa aayegi. That implies that BJP will come to power in Delhi after defeating the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, viewers, Prime Minister Modi called the Aam Aadmi Party AAPda during a speech while inaugurating a slew of developmental projects across Delhi just about 2 days back. And now the poster war, which began before that, has only escalated further. BJP has released another poster saying AAPda jayegi, Bhajpa aayegi. We're also being joined by my colleague Riyanka on the broadcast to get us more on the story. Riyanka, BJP has burned a bugle of AAPda jayegi, Bhajpa aayegi. Tell us more about the poster war that has broken out and is only escalating between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
That's right. It is an all-out poster war in the national capital between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party just ahead of the elections. We know the elections in the national capital are around the corner. And before that, we are seeing several such posters coming up from the side of the BJP and as well as the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, in a recent rally where Prime Minister Narendra Modi had in fact inaugurated a slew of infrastructural projects, there he had taken on the Aam Aadmi Party and highlighted the failures of the Aam Aadmi Party and said that the Aam Aadmi Party is an AAPda, which he maintains that Aam Aadmi Party is a disaster for the people of the national capital. And as per the latest is concerned, there is another poster released by the BJP that says AAPda jayegi, Bhajpa aayegi, which clearly means Aam Aadmi Party is all set to go away from the national capital, and this will be the entrance of the Bhajpa, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, in the national capital, which is another push of Prime Minister's remark that says that this time the people of Delhi will not be choosing a disaster but a party that works and brings several developmental initiatives and projects, something that they promise and can deliver. So after Prime Minister's mega push, a significant one about removing the Aam Aadmi Party from the national capital, this poster brings in a lot of highlight on what the Prime Minister had to say previously about Aam Aadmi Party, which is why this poster is very important and bringing in the focus on the minds of people of how the Aam Aadmi Party is an AAPda, and this is the time that the Bhajpa, the BJP will be making its entry in the national capital.